Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about rosemary, and I have a list of suggested food and flavor combinations that may help to give you some ideas for something a little different if you have some rosemary and you're not quite sure what to do with it. You can combine rosemary with balsamic vinegar and shallots and add that to something else. You can combine rosemary with balsamic vinegar and spinach, or rosemary with butter and lemon, and again use that to flavor something else, maybe some fish or some chicken. How about rosemary with feta cheese and spinach? Rosemary with garlic, lemon, olive oil, and white beans. That sounds like a good combination to me. How about rosemary with garlic, olive oil, and potatoes? That's a good one. Rosemary with honey and orange. That's interesting. Rosemary with lemon and tofu. Rosemary with lemon and white beans. Rosemary with mushrooms and thyme. That sounds good. And rosemary with onions and potatoes. Or try the combo of rosemary, oregano, and thyme and use that to flavor some other food. How about rosemary with Parmesan cheese and polenta? That sounds good. Rosemary with Parmesan cheese, tomatoes, and white beans. That also sounds good to me. I do hope this helps you out and gives you some ideas on something a little different to do. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.